Hello, welcome viewers. Welcome to my channel Knitting, Crochet and Stitching. Today we will learn very easy yet elegant beautiful knitting pattern. This pattern can be used on any cardigan, gent sweater, lady sweater, shawl, cap, muffler or any other project. For this pattern we need stitches multiples of 5 plus 2 edge stitches and 2 stitches to equalize the pattern. Let's start making the pattern. Slip the edge stitch, purl 2 stitches and knit 3 stitches. 5 stitches complete. Purl 2 stitches, knit 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3. Purl 2 1 2, knit 3 1 2 3, purl 2 1 2 and knit 3 1 2 3, purl 2, knit 3, last purl 2 and knit edge stitch. Row 1 is completed. Row 2 wrong side. Knit on knit stitches and purl on purl stitches. As the stitches appear, do that. Knit 2, purl 3 1 2 3, knit 2 1 2, purl 3 1 2 and 3, knit 2 1 2, purl 3 1 2 3. Make the whole row by knit and purl. Purl 2 3, knit 2 and purl edge stitch. Row 2 completed. Now row 3 right side. Slip 1, purl 2 stitches and slip 1 stitch, slip 1, knit 1, do not drop the stitch, slipped stitch be dropped over the knitted one and knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. One pattern complete. Now again purl 2. We have made 2 stitches from the 3 stitches. Purl 2, slip 1, knit 1, do not drop from the other needle, drop the slipped stitch over the knitted one, Now knit two together. Again purl 2, slip 1, knit 1, do not drop from the needle, slip the slipped stitch over the knitted one and knit two together. Repeat the pattern for the whole row. Slip the slipped stitch over the knitted one, knit two together. This pattern is very easy. This can be knitted beginners very easily. This pattern is only 2 row patterns. Last 2 purl and knit edge stitch. We have completed the 3rd row. Now 4th row, wrong side. Slip 1, knit 2. Now we were left with 2 stitches. The 3 stitches we will again make 3 stitches from 2 stitches. Yarn over, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. We have made 3 stitches from the 2 stitches. Knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1, knit 2 and purl edge stitch. Now we have completed one pattern of the 4 rows. Now repeat the pattern from row 1. Slip the edge stitch, purl 2, knit 3, same as the row 1, and repeat the pattern for the desired length. 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel and support me, and comment me if you like my video. Knit 3, purl 2, knit the edge stitch. Second row is purl on purls and knit on net stitches. Now we are on 3rd row. Repeat the pattern. Purl 2, yarn back, slip one, knit one, do not drop the stitch from the left needle, slip the slipped stitch over the knitted one and knit two together. Purl two, one, two, slip one, knit one, drop the slipped stitch over the knitted one and knit two together. Very easy design. Make the pattern yourself and comment me how you like the pattern. Knit two together. Purl two, slip one, knit one, drop the slipped stitch over the knitted one and knit two together. Purl two, one, two, slip one, knit one, slip the stitch over the knitted one, knit two together. Purl two, one, two, knit the edge stitch. Third row completed. Last row of the pattern, edge stitch, knit two, purl one, yarn over, purl one, knit two, purl one, yarn over, purl one. Complete the whole row like this. Now look at the pattern. Complete pattern will look like this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next video with a new design. Thank you for watching.